Alright, welcome back to Learning to Draw, episode 27, where we will be doing a frosted donut. This is from the book, How to Draw Cool Stuff, the 5-minute workbook, so let's see if we can't keep it down to about 5 minutes. So with that, let's begin, and we will start with a nice big oval. And of course mine's going to be lopsided on one side, so I'm really lopsided, so I'm going to go ahead and go at it from the other side. Not really happy with that. Let's try it one more time. And third time's the charm. But apparently not. Okay, that'll work. Let's go ahead and erase all this line here. Get rid of this extras. And get rid of that. Swap back, and then we'll put a smaller oval, which will be a lot easier for me, in the middle here. Alright, so we got 2 ovals. Now we need to add some frosting. So we'll just kind of drizzle and glaze it all the way around. Got a little extra on there. That's alright. Then we need to add some sprinkles. So let's go ahead and just toss them here, there, and everywhere. The reason why I picked this is it actually reminded me of the Simpsons pink donut that Homer always eats. And truthfully, honestly, because of that, I would often pick the pink frosted donut at my workplace, just because it was the Simpsons donut. Okay, so now that we got some sprinkles on this, let's go ahead and do a little bit of shading. So we're going to pick a color, and we aren't going to do full strokes across. Instead, we're just going to kind of go little by little to curve it. And we're going to want darker areas and lighter areas, and in between these areas we will go ahead and just add it even lighter. And then up here, and just go ahead and really scratch this in. And then we'd go lighter, but I've got to select a lighter color and just kind of go through the areas in between, and go ahead and go in between where we've already shaded to, and just short strokes, kind of following the curvature, and try to keep it off the frosting, but if it gets on there, it gets on there. That's alright. And then we'll go ahead and get a even lighter color, and we're going to want to go all the way across. This is where we'll actually want to go. Almost nice long strokes across the frosting, because it's going to be fairly uniformed. And for all these things tend to go through a conveyor belt and be glazed fairly evenly by machines. So we'll go ahead. It gives it a little bit of contrast. Okay. Go back to our darkest color, where I would be. Or you just press down, and I'm going to want to glaze from here over there, and then go ahead and nice light up there, and a dark color down here to kind of make a nice hole where the light would be the lowest and slightly higher across the rest. And there we have us a nice donut. Looks almost good enough to eat. Well, with that, we will call this one done. I hope you learned something. If you followed along, if not, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you, and goodbye.